So this is a quick response video. I had a viewer was having issues animating control nodes using a tween in Godot 4. They were saying that they couldn't get it to animate, and they thought it's because they can't set position of nodes that are children of containers. And so it looks like by design, they do disable that. I mean, it pretty much didn't work anyway in the editor if you tried to do it in Godot 3, but this looks a bit more um, specific about it. Now you can change it through code still, so there's no reason that what we did in the video shouldn't translate to here. So I'm going to show you two examples that I just tested. First, we're going to not use the tween. I'm going to run the scene, and you'll see that I'm able to animate the control node in the process by just incrementing its Y value over time. And when we use the tween, this also works. So I'm not sure why yours wasn't working. Take a look at this formatting. This is how you should be using a tween. There might be other ways to use a tween in Godot 4. I was actually checking out the documentation here. The main thing I saw is that you want to use, right, like create tween, not tween new. Make sure you're doing that. And then you just do tween property. And that callback is pretty nice too. That method. Now I was trying to add a tween node, but I didn't see it on here. And it's possible I just have it disabled. Like it should be showing up, right? Like is tween still a node or not? I can't tell. But I'm not super familiar with Godot 4, so don't hold that against me. Let's see, it's not a node anymore. So maybe that explains why it doesn't show up in the scene tree. I'm not really sure. Animation mixer. So these are all still nodes, I guess. We have timers. Yeah, so tween, go ahead and make it through code like this. If you just want to have one tween, you could make it once up in probably on ready, or even just as a regular var. I'm not sure if it would matter. And then you would put in, like when you're animating the dialog box in the bottom bar in that battle tutorial, you just do something like that and swap out the values. Make sure you're using that, the colon there instead of dot. I think I go over that in the video, but make sure you're doing that. All right, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions or if it still doesn't work after watching this. All right, see ya. Thanks for letting me know.